Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. The tutorial is dedicated to the GNS3 and VM Workstation, and the agenda is the integration of GNS3 with VM. Because I was requested by a lot of my um, trainees to create a video in the integration because they were having some problem while integrating both the entities together. So I have already created three parts. If you've not seen them, I would highly recommend, in order to understand it fully, you start from part one. This is part four. So in part four, we have to go for the Cisco router images installation that is required for the images of the routers and switches. Actually, switches are already there, actually, right? One switch would be there, but in order to have the complete switch and getting the complete switch flavor, you will need to download it and convert that in the switch. That is a GNS3 part. Later when I'll create the video of the same, will share with you. But let's go ahead with our agenda, which is Cisco router images. So two things already done. GNS3 software has been installed and VMware Workstation Pro has been installed. And now the Cisco router images. For that, there isn't any specific site, but yes, the best is you can do as you can open the GNS3 here. Uh, what I had done, I already have the images actually for this, so I would not go into the detail, but I'll let you know. Here I have the Cisco images for, let's say, 2600, 3620, 3640, 3725, and 7200, right? So these are the images wherein you can actually get in the GNS3 as well as the Google's. Just write it down, GNS3 router images. Download likewise. Okay, and you can get it from anybody's blog if you want. Else, there is another way. Cancel it, and you go where to the GNS3 site, which is gns3.com. And once you go to gns3.com site, so you have marketplace, and in marketplace you have softwares, a lot of softwares here. So this is like Cisco 7200. Download it from here. So this will give you just an image, Cisco 72 GNS3A. Go here and import the appliance, right? And once you import the appliance, it will take you the download directly, Cisco 7200. Open this. Once you open, it will say install the application on your local computer, actually. So I want to give a pause here, actually. Why I am, because the main agenda of the video is to the integration, to show you the integration between GNS3 and VMware Workstation. So here I will pause it and I will show you how to download these softwares later on, once I'm done with the VMware Workstation. For now, I'm closing it. You can choose the other way. Go to the Google and get the images from anybody's blog. This you can do. So this is done. So the next part is that the GNS3 VM OA file. So this is a really important file because this file will go to here. I mean, this is once again the uh, image which has already been created by GNS3. So here, what you can do is you can directly integrate, I mean, this GNS3 VM OA file. And for that, what you can do is go here and help, go to GNS3 setup, run application in the virtual image. It will show you the details. It will connect to the Google GNS3 server. You'll say it's been connected successfully. Now you can see that you have virtual box in VMware, but the recommended version with, I mean, the compatibility of the GNS3 is with VMware more. I'm not saying that it cannot be done in the virtual box. It can be done. I have done that also, but it's the recommendation one is the VMware. So we will go with the recommended one. So here it shows VMware Workstation, VMware recommended. Now you would see if I refresh it, it will not give me any of the GNS3 VM because it's not there. but obvious. Okay, so the best I'll do is the GNS3 VM can download it here. Click here, it will take you directly to this site, and this will take time. I mean, it is 1.5 GB, so this will take time. But for that also, let me cancel it, and I'll show you once it's done. You can extract it, and it will directly take you to here like this. So you will, all you will be getting is GNS3 VM, this one. So I'm just fast forwarding this because I've already downloaded. You guys wait, because it takes, or it depends on your internet speed, how fast your internet can download the GNS3 VM. So the other step is open your VM, and here click on open a virtual machine. So once you click on open the virtual machine, I'll give it the path. My path is something different which I've done. GNS3 Cisco images, this one 2.2, right? So I'll select GNS3 VM and I click open. So once I click open, this is a Linux machine, and it will automatically open this GNS3 VM in this name. You can, let's say, I say GNS3 project. Let's say automation, because I'll be working on the automation field. Let me import it. It will import the GNS3 automation project herein, in which I have GNS3 VM.oa file. And once it's done, I will show you how I can integrate it with GNS3. So guys, you can fast forward the video because I don't want to pause it, uh, because I want to just show how the import GNS3 automation comes in, or in case there is any issue that occurs in between. Uh, in general, you would not see any error while importing the GNS3 automation. I mean, I've hardly seen it. So this always become a successful integration. But again, if you guys get some problem in between, or any kind of error you encounter, so just feel free to let me know in the comment box, and I'll be more than happy to help you with those, you know, the remediation of those errors. So for me, this the import of the GNS3 automation, it's completed, and I should see a GNS3 automation project herein. So now I will not open this virtual machine. For me, the memory is 2 GB. Processor, let's see, if you want, you can change the processor or let it be there. Let me do- Okay, I mean, whatever changes you want to do, you can do it, right? Hard disk 20 GB, it has already taken by the second one. Network adapter, let it be a host only, and the other one is the net. What I'm saying, host only is for the internal communication inside the VMware, and the net will take you to the outside. That means if you have any router, and if you want your GNS3 or any project, let's say the automation one or any of the appliance, if you want that to be connected to the outside world, get the IP from your router, external router, that will be there, right? So this is the uh, main aim of these two adapters there. So let me click on OK. So now our next task, I mean the main task completed, which is the GNS3 automation. So here what I'll do, I'll refresh it, so it will automatically get my GNS3 automation file here, the vCPU size, core and all. So again, that depends on you, whatever you want to play with, but I'll not get deviate, with my original agenda. So this is done, and here you will see that this will open it in the GNS3. So this is starting, and here in GNS3 you would see this is first of all talking to the local health, I mean the local host, sorry, and it's showing the progress. Here it shows the GNS3 VM starting. So in GNS3 you would very soon see the GNS3 is starting. So again, you can fast forward the video if you want, but I would like you to see what is happening here. if any error comes in, because in this time when it comes the kvm support available, it is true because I have enabled the virtual, uh, the virtual, I would say, the option in the BIOS. At times, if you see the KVM support available is not true, so for that you will need to enable the virtual VTX, the virtual text there in your BIOS. For that, I'll also create another video. But for now, this is done, and it has also got the IP here. And let me see here. This is finished. Now you see the VM is integrated with this. Now, whatever project you want to run, you can run it in this VM. So I'll show you in my next videos or the further videos as to how you can enable the iOSs, and then how the first project goes like, and which includes the common troubleshootings or the problems. So I think the video has really gone long. So thank you very much for being so patient, and thank you very much. And I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.